All right, guys, so getting into that second video. Still not that many dogs up here, but hopefully we get some good action for you. Bodie, you ready for a second video? Are you ready, Bodie? Are you ready? You don't look ready. Come on, Bodie, let's go. Oh, that's a cool looking dog. I wonder if that's, well, the owner is far away. I wonder if that's like a Samoy. I don't think it's a husky.
I thought it was a chow.
Oh.
Chow.
Hey, Bodie, what's going on, huh? Yeah, so as I said in the previous video, we got here a little bit late. So, hoping for cooler weather. It is cooler, just not that many dogs in here right now. Bodie! Bodie! Bodie, come! This way! Come on, Bodie, you can get it. Come on. Oh, man. No, I can't do tug of war with you. No tug of war. Yeah, so my back is doing better, but yeah, I still can't do tug of war. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Your dog is really pretty.
Thank you.
What kind of dog?
It's a Samoyed.
See, I got it right, didn't I? Yeah. I was saying I think that's a Samoyed. It's not a husky. Where did you find him or her?
I found her on Craigslist.
Oh, Craigslist.
She's on,
Okay.
like, a local breeder.
Oh, wow. Yeah, she's very pretty. What I read about them is they try to be friends with everyone. Is that
Yes.
true? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
very true, and she's very playful. She just wants.
How old is she?
She's 2 years old.
It also said, the article that I read also said that if you want a guard dog,
No,
don't get a
definitely not
Samoyed.
her.
Yeah.
She's too friendly.
What's her name?
Stormy.
Stormy. Okay. How'd you come up with that name?
My friend actually named her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think she probably saw, you know, like what's the celebrity? Kylie Jenner?
Kylie Jenner?
Like the daughter, like her daughter's name is Stormy. I think she might have just saw the name and thought it fit her.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you must get compliments everywhere you go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
But she's just too friendly to everyone. Like she wants to go and say hello.
Right.
Yeah, she wants to play.
I've seen like pictures of them like laying down and stuff. They look like stuffed animals.
Yeah, she's trying to invite us to play.
So will she bark at strangers? Like, no.
No.
Like even when she's at home and say like,
Never, like, she never barks because there's a stranger or there's a threat. She barks because she wants to play. She wants to get attention.
okay.
Yeah.
Well, as long as, you know what, as long as the bad guy mistakes that for like, oh, this dog is going to attack me, so.
Yeah, but she never, like, she's never scared of people. Like,
Oh,
anyone.
okay. Wow. I wonder what they're like, you know how every dog like originally bred has like a job? You know that was,
She's like husky, like she's supposed to,
oh, pull?
pull. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pull the sweater.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Oh yeah, my dog has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, because I gotta figure out. I feel like you're.
Here, let me give you a card. I think I still have a card in here. Let me see.
I have phone.
Oh, okay. Do you do the social media thing or no? You know what? If you started YouTube for her, it would be very popular, I'm
She
sure.
has one. I created one, but just for friends.
Oh, I see.
And I just got kind of lazy and then kind of stopped.
Oh,
posting
okay.
stuff.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, we've been doing it now for about 4 years.
How do you like it?
Oh, I enjoy it. I enjoy it. I mean, what surprised me, it actually,
Oh, it's on YouTube.
yeah, it actually brings a lot of happiness to people to see like the different dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, does she do Instagram or something like that?
I only had Instagram profile for her.
Oh, I see.
I don't have YouTube.
Yeah, you gotta start a YouTube channel.
Because I just feel like editing and then taking videos.
Yeah, so it looks like a German Shepherd just came in. So, how old is your German Shepherd? 2 years old. A male or a female? Female. Oh. Athena. Okay. That's an interesting name. How'd you come up with it?
Oh, she's my son's dog.
Oh.
He's in the military. He's in the Navy, so
Oh, really?
he left us in charge of it.
Oh.
He buys it, we take care of it.
She's not sad, is she?
Well, he's coming on the weekends. He's in Coronado right now.
Oh, okay. So he gets a visitor every
Oh,
week.
yeah.
Oh, that's
He's
nice.
just, but we're the ones that are walking him.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to get really sad thinking he's like gone for like a year or something.
Well, he will be, but you know, right now he's here.
Oh, okay.
You want him to play with you? She wants to play.
Okay, guys, so finally we're getting some more dogs in here. I mean, they're not running around that much, but we're getting more. Let's see, where's Bodie's rope toy? You know what? I would throw a ball to him, but I don't know, maybe there's a ball in here, but what happened, it's Thursday, so normally they mow the grass on Thursday, and any toy that's left in here gets mowed over. So what's interesting is one night I lost his rope toy in here, and it was like Wednesday night, and I know that they mowed Thursday morning, and I was in here for over an hour looking for that rope toy because I didn't want to get it mowed over. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just didn't want it to get mowed over. Oh my gosh.
What happened to the tennis balls though? Do they go?
Oh, they get mowed over. You'll see a few in there. Yeah. Bodie, where are you?
Oh, he's over there.
Oh, okay. Hopefully he's not trying to panhandle over there. He's always trying to get treats from people. Bodie, come!
I'm always worried to bring treats in here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if he ever found out you had treats, he would never leave you alone, ever. Bodie, come!
Do you give him any specific ones?
Like,
Anything.
just anything. He's happy to get any kind of treat. Bodie, ready? Bodie! What is that? Hey, no! What the heck? No, out of there now! No! Ah! That's disgusting, Bodie! I'm about to throw up right now. Oh, that is so disgusting! Out of there! I wonder why they would hang it like that. I feel like I need to take an intermission and just throw up right now. That's so disgusting. Bodie, over here now. Time to play with the ball. Come on. Ready? Hey. Sit. Ready? Get it. Oh, I can't believe it. Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys heard all that. Hey, no! What the heck? No! Okay, so that's actually a bag of poop. Hey, no. That's a bag of poop that's hanging on that fence. And I don't know what Bodhi's attraction is to that, but oh, that's disgusting. Hey, no. No. At least now I think I have a title for this video. Oh, oh man. Yeah, my insides feel kind of queasy right now. Hey, what's up, Tony? How you doing?
What's getting?
Hey, no, none for you.
What's getting?
That's poop. Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Exactly. Oh, disgusting.
See? Tripping treats.
Ah, it doesn't. That's not why he's trying to get that. Oh, it's disgusting.
Charlie never gets a poop bag.
And why would they hang it like that? Unless maybe it's somebody in the field. But why? Why hang it? Oh, maybe they're in the field and they're like, oh, I'm gonna hang this poop bag on the fence, and then somebody's in the dog park is going to come and retrieve the poop bag and throw it in the trash. No, exactly. Oh, disgusting. All right, guys, sorry about that. This video took a dark turn. You have the rope for me? Thank you. Hey, do not work your way back over to that bag. You're not going to do that. Oh, my gosh. So speaking of making friends, Phoenix is always trying to make friends, huh?
Yeah, I think it's in this phase though. He's still trying to learn boundaries.
Oh, okay. Oh, you don't have treats, do you? Oh,
No, I don't have any
oh,
treats.
poop bag.
Yeah, because I thought my dog was going to.
Oh, that's the first time he's ever gone after a poop bag ever. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I wish it was only an empty one. Baldy! Baldy! Baldy, come! Look! Look! Come on, you can get it. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Good boy, Bodhi. Okay, I'm right here, Bodhi. Oh gosh, you got me with the rope. Bodhi! No! Hey, no! Oh my gosh, you went for it again. Bodhi, come on, get it. Bodie, come. Bodie, can you sit? Sit. No. Shh. Hey, sit. No, sit. Stay. Okay, guys, so we're going to wrap up this video. We appreciate you watching. Sorry about the whole poop bag incident earlier. Yeah, that was pretty disgusting, but we really appreciate you watching. If you can, please press the like button. Also, leave a comment or question down below. If you make it kind of short, we'll try to include it in the future video. Also, we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodie, and we appreciate it, along with those of you who pressed the thanks button and have donated to Bodie. We truly appreciate it. And then also, we want to thank everyone who's played Bodie's playlist. That is a great help, and we truly appreciate it. Now, before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who watched previous videos and left comments. Hold on, let me get my notes. Cheryl Wright, the Riddler, Diane, Nina Williams, Sabine Farber, Anna G, Croys, Ross Iverson, Stephanie Tripoli, and Johnny Childs. We appreciate you all watching. So until next time, we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone stay safe and take care.